Are you looking to do some side hustles right from the comfort of your home where you don't have to go and DoorDash or Instacart or overtime at work and do different things? You can do them right from the comfort of your bed, right from the comfort of your home. All you need is an internet connection, and you can start them all this week. You don't need all this preparation to start them. You can start them all right away. Jumping right in is a virtual assistant. Now, what a virtual assistant is they are working behind the scenes of a brand, of a business, and doing tasks for that brand or business that they may not want to do, or they may be like, I'm at the point I need to start outsourcing. I need to start focusing on other areas of my business. So I'm going to hire someone to help me with calendar management or email marketing or posting my social media posts, posting my reels, posting my Instagram posts or on LinkedIn or Twitter, different things like that. But these are tasks that they're able to delegate out to someone else, and you can do them right from the comfort of your home. And one thing that I love about being a virtual assistant is you can make your own schedule. So oftentimes a brand or a company will say, hey, these are the tasks that I need done. This is the deadline that I need them done by. You have a week, you have a month, you have whatever time. And you can do them whenever you please. You can do them on your lunch break at work. You can do them at 2 o'clock in the morning if you're a night owl. You can do them while your kids are playing and you're sitting on the couch drinking your coffee, working, and your kids are playing, and it's totally fine. As long as you're able to get the job done in a quality manner and on time, then you're good to go, which is amazing. And virtual assistant, it typically ranges between anywhere from $15 to $35 an hour starting out, depending on the task, depending on the skills. I have a full video I actually have a second YouTube channel, shameless plug, but a second YouTube channel, and I have a full video breaking down how to become a virtual assistant, what it goes into detail. It's a lot more complex than this video, but it's really gonna help you. So I have it linked for you down below in the description, but a virtual assistant is a really great way to get that extra income and do that alongside as a side hustle. And then if you want, you can transition to that full time, but it's a great way to do it. And in that video, I also show on screen how to find jobs. So there's different websites that you can go to that I show you on screen, how to search for them, where to go, all of that. It's super detailed, so definitely check out that video. But virtual assistant is number one. Next, I do want to share with you a free class that I have coming up, and this class it's completely free. Like I said, I'll have the link to sign up, but it's going to help you figure out what skills you have and how to turn that into a side hustle, how to turn that into an online business if that's what you want. But not going, I need to figure out and learn all these new skills and learn all this stuff, and I need to go back to college to learn how to do this. No, no, no. But using the skills that you already have, the unique skills that you have that you may not even realize are skills that can translate into a side hustle. And I'm going to teach you how to take those skills and turn them into a side hustle or online business. So it's going to be super fun, hour-long class. I'll have it linked down below in the description, and I really hope you come. It's going to be amazing. So definitely check it out. Next is digital products. So digital products are a really great passive income source. So there's active income and passive income. Active income is typically your 9-to-5 job. So you're trading dollars for hours. So you work and you're getting paid $20 an hour, $10 an hour, $50 an hour, $100 an hour, whatever it is, but you're not getting paid unless you work those hours. So it's very active income. Passive income is you're doing the work up front. You may not get paid up front, but you're doing the work up front, but then you get paid over and over and over, even when you're sleeping. And digital products is a really great way to do that. I get emails all through the night saying, I got a sale on Etsy. I got a sale on my website. I got a sale on this, like 2 o'clock in the morning, because people that are night owls or in different parts of the world buying my products. And I have just hit over $10,000 of sales on Etsy, and I'm out about the same amount on my website as well. So about $20,000 worth of sales that I've made from digital products in the past 5 years, which is amazing. Now, it's not a crazy amount of money, but hey, the amount of times that I've spent on it, and I created the product and then I answer a couple of customer service emails, but other than that, it is completely passive. I have a full video as well. We're gonna have tons of videos and resources for you, but I have a video of 30 digital product ideas that you can create to kind of get your wheels and be like, oh, I could make that, I could do that. And they range from resume templates, or if you're really good at making resumes, resume templates. Invitations to parties, invitations to different things that you could create digital templates for people, or I do Excel spreadsheets. If you're an Excel spreadsheet nerd, that's a great one there. I do printables for tracking your progress on paying off debt and saving money, or you could do weight loss trackers, or you could do journals. There's so many different things that you can create that are digital products. And there's 3 different places that I recommend hosting these. And you don't have to do all 3. You can choose one or you can do multiple ones. Number 1 is Shopify. Shopify, I'll have a link for all of these down below, but Shopify is a great online platform that you can use to sell your products, to have your online store. So Shopify is amazing. Number 2 is Etsy. Etsy is great. Etsy has its own SEO, which I love as well. And then also your own website through something like WooCommerce. So I personally have Etsy in my website, and I love that I have them in both places. If I'm talking about a digital product in a video, I'm going to link it to my website because I want that traction on my website because I'm trying to build up my website as well. And I give a discount on my website. So I typically give about 50% off on my website if you buy them through my website. But then I also have them on Etsy because Etsy is bringing in its own traffic. So it's awesome. And every month when I do my income reports, my income is pretty much the same on Etsy and my website, which is interesting that it's typically about the same. But digital products are an amazing way to make that passive income, and it's a great side hustle that you can do at any time of day. Number 3 is creating courses. Now, courses are a really great way of passive income as well. You create it upfront and then it sells after that. And sharing knowledge that you have with other people. There's so many amazing courses out there. It is incredible of just the creativity that people have. And some course ideas is how to get your baby to eat, do baby-led weaning, how to get your baby to sleep, how to get your kids to eat vegetables without hating them, how to have a great marriage, how to improve your marriage, how to work through depression and anxiety and different coping tactics, how to keep a clutter-free home, how to save money on groceries. I have a course on how to save money on groceries, how to start an online business like a YouTube channel. I have a course on that, how to ride a bike, teaching your kid how to ride a bike, how to drive a car, how to nail a job interview, how to move up in your career in corporate America. There are so many different things that you can do that you have those skills, oftentimes skills that you use in your everyday life or in your job, that you're able to not take that information from your job, not take those company resources, but take the things that you've learned and apply them to a job. Maybe you work in HR and you interview people all day, or you see the transition that people make from corporate America or from their job and transitioning into a new job, and helping people with that transition, making sure that they don't leave money on the table with 401k, or make sure that they leave gracefully and get those good reviews or good referrals at your old job. And those are courses that you can make, which is so cool. Now, where do you host a course? So there's different hosting platforms. There's Teachable, there's Kajabi, there's Thrivecart, there's tons of different ones. I have used 2 different hosting platforms. I've used Teachable and I've used Thrivecart. Now, I actually am transitioning right now from Teachable to Thrivecart. I'm learning that there's a little bit of a learning curve with Thrivecart, but I think long term it's going to be a better option for me. It's a lot more affordable, and I'm excited for Thrivecart. And I actually am working on, behind the scenes, a free Thrivecart course. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be amazing. It's going to come out probably this summer. So stay tuned for that. But a free Thrivecart course is coming your way, and it's going to teach you how to set up courses through Thrivecart. But online courses are a really great way to have that passive income. You create it up front. You film your videos, you film it, you edit it, you upload, all that stuff. Now, there are written courses. There's audio only courses. I have a friend, Michelle, who has a course, and it is made over $1 million, and there is no video in the course. It is 100% written text, and it's made over $1 million. Now, that's an outlier. That is not the typical of a course, but the money is there, which is amazing. And it's so cool that you're able to make this money on the internet. Like, it's so cool of what we have come to in this world, that we're able to do all of these online business, online side hustles right from the comfort of our home and make amazing money. So online courses are a really, really, really great way to make money from home. Next is freelancing. Freelancing is very similar to virtual assistant, but a virtual assistant is typically working with a brand or a company on an ongoing basis, whereas a freelancer is typically doing job by job. So a freelancer may do some video editing, or someone may say, hey, I need this video edited, or I need this channel trailer made, or I need this little animated video made, or I need a sales page written. Maybe you're really good at copywriting and writing good persuasive copy, or you're able to put some humor in things, then someone may hire you to do that. Or maybe someone wrote a sales page and wrote this thing that they need, but they need someone to go through and edit it. Make sure that all the grammar is correct, make sure it flows correctly, it sounds good, and they may hire you to edit it. So they may say, here's my document, I'm gonna upload it in Google Docs for you. You have a week to edit it, and I'm gonna pay you $50. $100, whatever it is. But those are great freelancing jobs, and some great websites that you can go and find these jobs are Fiverr and Upwork. Those are really great. And also there's Facebook groups, different things like that you can find these jobs. But freelancing is really great if you have a specific skill that you may use, like I said, in your day job that you can then translate and have different ongoing jobs. Or you can say, hey, I want to do some freelance writing. I love creative writing. I love writing blogs. And I love writing, and so maybe I could start writing a blog. I don't want to necessarily start a blog for myself, but I would love to write for other people. And oftentimes people think that blogs have to be like super informational, this and that. There are so many different blogs out there for any different topic. So it's not just educational, personal finance, or education on different things. It could be a blog about having a child with autism. It could be a blog about weight loss. It could be a blog about mommyhood and struggles of moms, or funny things that kids do, and you may have some things that you could contribute to that. Or it could be a blog about cooking and baking, or different skills and how to master different things that you can do. And these are all crazy different topics, but trust me, there's a idea in your head, I guarantee that there is a blog out there, or someone that is wanting to start a blog and needs some help writing. So use your creativity, use the skills that you have to do that. And like I said, I have this free class that's going to help you take those skills, take those ideas, and figure out which is going to be best for you. What are the next steps that you need to take to start this online business, to start this side hustle? So definitely take the free class. Trust me, it's going to be amazing. It's going to be so much fun. I'll have it linked for you. Next is a YouTube channel. Now, a YouTube channel is not for everyone, but a YouTube channel is so much fun. I started my YouTube channel 7 years ago this month, and it's been an amazing journey. And trust me, I knew nothing about cameras. I knew nothing about talking correctly. My first video had 65 ums in 6 minutes. It was very awkward, embarrassing. Still on my channel, but it's cringy, trust me. And over the years, I've built a confidence, and not only a confidence on camera, but I've really noticed a difference in myself and what this YouTube channel has done for me. It has helped me to build a community with my audience, with you, my viewers, but also with other YouTubers, and the friendships that I've formed from this amazing community. And it's helped to stretch me, make myself learn more. And I'm like, you know what? I need to put out these videos, but I don't want to put out videos that I'm just like talking out of my butt. So I need to learn. I need to educate myself. And it's made me educate myself and not be lazy and just sit on the couch watching Netflix all day long, all night long. But I'm like, no, I have videos that I want to make. I want to grow. I want to learn. I want to learn more about different YouTube stuff, and I want to learn more about the topics. And it's helped to stretch me. For instance, I started as a Dave Ramsey channel talking about budgeting. It's helped me to learn how to budget. And then I was like, you know what? The next step in this is investing. Investing is scary. Investing is intimidating. Nervous about investing. But I said, you know what, Kelly? No, we're going to push ourselves outside of our comfort zone. Would I have done that? Would I have learned about investing if I wasn't on YouTube? Honestly, I don't know. I honestly don't know. So a YouTube channel is a really great way to push yourself outside of your comfort zone, but then the money is there too. You can make some good money with YouTube, and you can have a channel about pretty much anything, just like a blog. There are YouTube channels about everything. There's even YouTube channels with no face, where you're not showing your face at all. So if you don't want to talk, if you don't want to share your face, there are plenty of videos and channels that you can do without showing your face at all. So it's definitely possible. A YouTube channel, it's amazing. It's so much fun. Don't be intimidated by it, but it's not for everyone. So if it's not something that you want to do, if it's not something you're comfortable with, that's totally fine. There's so many other online business ideas, side hustles that you can do. Trust me, we got you. Let's keep the conversation going. If you need some ideas on digital downloads, 30 digital download ideas to get you started so you can start making some passive income on digital downloads, check out this video here. And if you want a more in-depth look at becoming a virtual assistant and what that entails, behind the scenes, what websites to get jobs on, all that, check out this video here.